Hey, this is Matt from Custom Car Grills with a mesh install for the side openings and the bumper for the Hyundai Genesis Coupe. For owners that already have done the center section, this should be a breeze. The first thing to do is get the Dremel out and equip it with the number 543 cutting and shaping wheel. Just like with the center section, the tabs on the back of the bumper need to be cut off. There's only a handful, and this is pretty quick to do. After the tabs are cut, there's going to be a little bit of burnt plastic to pick off. Then I'll make a pass on the edge with the top of the shaping wheel to smooth out any unevenness, and follow that up by picking off more loose plastic by hand. To finish the edge, I'll grab a knife and trim off any of the fine bits that may remain. I'm not digging into the edge, I'm just removing what's already loose. Now let's take a look at the mesh piece that we have for sale on our website. This is pre-cut and pre-formed specifically for the Genesis Coupe bumper side openings. With all the right cuts made, the mesh should drop right on the back of the bumper, like so. Just like with the main center section, I'm going to use some foam and wood dowels and cable ties to temporarily hold the mesh firmly in place. The dowels will help provide a great place for the ties to loop around, as shown here. With the ties in place, then I'll just trim off the ends and throw them away. It's best to double check the angles of the mesh before moving forward. I'm looking for some close contact between the bumper and the mesh and finally making adjustments as needed. Once I'm satisfied with the fitment, then I'll grab some automotive goop. And personally, I like to use a toothpick to apply the goop to the mesh and bumper. I find that I can more accurately place the adhesive where I need it to be by using this method. With that said, this specific piece can be bonded straight out of the bottle. Behind the scenes here, I have a fan blowing to keep the goop from running all over the place. I've waited a day for this to cure, and when it's ready, I can cut the ties off and discard them along with the wood dowels. Let's flip this around and see how it turned out. Hey, this looks really good. It's a perfect match for the center section and really completes the look of the vehicle. Well, I hope you liked this video. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.